Jump in! Come on, George.
Today, Peppa, George, Susie Sheep and Pedro Pony are...
Jumping in muddy puddles is the best!
Say cheese!
Cheese! Ooh, let's take lots of photos. Hooray!
Make sure you're nice and clean before you head inside, please.
Everyone checks that they're clean and not covered in muddy puddles.
Everyone ready?
Clean!
No mud here.
Great!
Hooray!
Everyone is posing for pictures with toys.
Ooh. Aha!
Peppa, can you come here, please?
Oh dear, someone has brought mud into the house.
But we aren't muddy at all, Daddy. Look!
Wasn't me.
Clean!
So how did the mud get in here?
Don't worry, we'll solve the mystery with this. Look! More mud!
And over there.
Come on!
Peppa and her friends take pictures of all the mud around the house as they look for clues. But the answer to the mystery is in the pictures they took with their toys.
Look! There's mud in these pictures too. Right next to... Teddy!
Teddy!
He must have got muddy in the muddy puddles. Let's clean him up.
Well, let's clean it all up.
Hooray!
Peppa and her friends clean all the muddy items and put them back where they belong.
Phew.
Well done on solving the muddy puddle mystery, everyone. Oh.
But they've made a different bubbly mess by accident instead.